Hate crimes trial for 3 men who killed Ahmaud Arbery. Closing arguments are now scheduled for Monday. CBS 46's Haley Mason joins us live in Brunswick explaining the courtroom arguments from both sides tonight. Haley, good evening.
Good evening, Sean. The last witness that the Department of Justice brought on said she met Greg McMichael 7 years ago and hasn't spoken with him since. But she is the witness that the U.S. Department of Justice decided to close their case with. The Department of Justice has called its last witness, Carol Sears, a woman from New York who says she met Greg McMichael in 2015, and the interaction has stuck with her ever since. She says McMichael, at the time an investigator for the Glenn County District Attorney's Office, was driving her and her daughter back to the airport after a court hearing. Sears says she just learned that civil rights leader Julian Bond from Atlanta had died. She said out loud, quote, "I just heard that he passed away and I feel terribly." She says McMichael said, "Terrible? I wish the guy had been in the ground years ago. All these blacks are nothing but trouble. I wish they all would die." The woman testified that Greg McMichael then went on a rant about black people. "It was terrible and had such meanness and ugliness about a whole race of people," she said. Meanwhile, earlier, Travis McMichael's former supervisor at the Metzen Marine took the stand. Joseph Mandela says Travis called him after the shooting but was dishonest about what happened. Mandela said he believed the person that had been doing the break-ins is the person he shot and killed. He says the person attacked him. But the supervisor asked if the shooting happened inside of McMichael's home. Travis told him no, it was outside, out front. Mandela testified that McMichael told 2 supervisors that same story, that he was attacked outside his home. But 3 months later, the video came out. Mandela testified, "A guy at work came to the manager and told him a video of the shooting was on YouTube. I went in and watched with coworkers. I was shocked and upset. What he told me was a lie. That was not what happened on video." After calling a single witness, the defense rested their cases. We weren't expecting that to be the case, but 2 defendants offering no defense, only 1 witness called on behalf of Greg McMichael. We know the closing arguments are set to begin at 9:30, and we anticipate that they will go on late into the day before the jury even gets this case. And so this trial could be wrapping up by midweek next week. Right now, a quiet scene outside the federal courthouse. Around me, we'll be bringing you more updates as this story develops. Reporting live outside of the federal courthouse in Glenn County, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.